Assemblymember Amanda Septimo partnered up with Bronx Spreading Love on Earth Day at East 138th Street to show their love by cleaning up the local community that's turning into an art park.
So today we're actually here in the district celebrating Earth Day. We chose this specific spot because this is going to be the site of a community art park, a project that we're working on together with Bronx Spreading Love, which is an organization, and Roses at Park. So today we wanted to celebrate Earth Day by cleaning in our community, but also with an eye to the future.
Earth Day is an annual celebration that honors the achievements of the environmental movement and raises awareness of the need to protect Earth's natural resources for future generations. Founder of Bronx Spreading Love, Sasha Mejia, tells us why she came up with this event and what it means for the community.
Today we're here on Earth Day on South Bronx, beautifying a park that basically has been like a garbage dumpster for the past years. So we want to beautify, bring arts, bring resources for artists, for painters to come and do their thing. So that's what we're here for. I think it's very important for the community to see a space that's being beautified because it's going to bring them more hope, motivation, inspiring. So right now where we at, if we have any space that we're able to help to beautify and for the community to come together to make it beautiful, I think is a great plan.
Bronx Spreading Love's mission is to support humanity and those less privileged, creating a space for anyone in need, like this art park, where people can express themselves. Hospitality Director Franklin Polonia, who also works with Bronx Spreading Love, wanted to talk about the program and why it's so important to keep the environment safe.
We came here and I couldn't understand why I had to walk 5 blocks to throw a piece of garbage in a garbage can. We started working with DCAS, and if you build it, they come. 2 years later, we're here. We made a call for action. Amanda Septimo jumped in. Carmen Flores from Somos is a great partner as well. And they're here helping us build an amazing art structure park for our community. We are putting a call for artists from our local artists in the community. There's so much talent in the Bronx, and I'm sure we're going to be able to get a great amount of people to come out and feature their art here. It's very important because it's quality of life. We all deserve to have clean streets. We all deserve to have what everybody else has. And this is a great time in the Bronx. A lot of great things are happening for our community, and I'm very proud to be part of it.
To learn more information about how you can get involved with Bronx Spreading Love, you can visit their website at spreadinglovefoundation.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.